Bean. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Rainbow Loom double stitch bracelet. This is what it looks like. So the supplies that you will need is a loom, and the pick should be staggered. You will need your hook, a C-clip or an S-clip, and rubber bands. I'm using pink. I'm using white, red, and fuchsia. First, take your first band and put it from this peg forward and push it down. Take your next band and put it from this peg out to the left and push it down. Take your next band and put it out to the right and push it down. Then go forward, go out to the left, and go out to the right, like that. Now, take a band and go forward. Go out to the left, and go out to the right. And now, go forward. I'll show you one more time. Go out to the left and go out to the right. Now this is what it should look like. You will continue this all the way down your loom, and I'll be right back. Okay, this is what your loom should look like. Now, take your last color, or you can have more than one color for this, but I have one color. You're going to put on your finger, twist it, and put it back on. And you're going to skip these first 3 pins and put on these ones. And here's another way you can do it if that's too hard for you. You can put on these 3 pins, twist it, and then put it back on. But I like doing it with my hand, but you can decide which way you like better. Basically, all you're doing is capping the band and putting on the 3 pins. And you will do that all the way down your loom. I'll be right back. Now, this is what your loom should look like. Now, turn it around so that the red arrow is pointing towards you. Take your hook, go inside this pin with the cap band. Just push the cap band back, get the top band, and hook it to the center. Push back this band, get the bottom band, and hook it to the center. And go in, get this band, and hook it forward. Get the bands that go to the center, like that, and then like that, and then hook this band forward. I'll show you a few more times. Go in, get this band, hook it to the center, and go in, get this band, and hook it to the center. Now, get this band and hook it forward. Go in, get this band, hook it to the center. Go in, get this band, and hook it to the center. Go in, get this band, and hook it to the center. This band, hook it to the center. This band, and hook it to the center. Then this band, and hook it forward. And you will continue that all the way down your loom. I'll be right back. Now this is what it should look like. Now we're going to take the bracelet off the loom. And instead of just sticking your hook in the pin, grabbing a band, putting it on your hook, pulling it through and placing it back on, and just pulling it off, I like to, before I do that, before I pull out the whole thing, I just pull off the sides. It just makes it a lot easier to do. Now, just pull off the center, which is really easy. And it should turn out to look something like this. Now, make sure the red arrow on your loom is pointing away from you. Take the band and put it. Now we will be making the extension. Take a band, put it from this pin to this pin, this pin to this pin, this pin to this pin, and this pin to this pin, and this pin to this pin. Take your bracelet, take the end that's on your hook, and put on the last two pins. Turn your loom around so that the arrow is pointing towards you. Go in, get the bottom band and hook it forward. Get the bottom band, hook it forward. Get the bottom band and hook it forward. The bottom band and hook it forward. And hook this one forward. Now, stretch these bands to this pin. Take your C-clip or S-clip and put it on the band on this pin, all the bands. And then pull your extension off. And clip it to the other end. The cap band. And then you have your finished double stitch bracelet. Thanks for watching. Bye!